Welcome back to my channel Anjani Shri Sai. In this video, I am going to show you all how to write a C program to find the greatest among three numbers using conditional statements. And in the conditional statement which I am using here is if, else, if, and else. So before going to this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Let us write a program for finding greatest among three numbers. Here in this program, I have included stdio.h because to include the inputs and outputs, and by while including this only we can use user inputs. And if scanf and printf statements comes under this type of header file. And now coming to the main function, here I have taken three variables called a, b, and c of integer data types, and I have used a scanf statement, and the main format specifiers for integer data type are percentage %d, and here the amplifier A, amplifier B, and amplifier C specifies that the location of they are the addresses for these variables. Now here comes the logic to find the greatest among three numbers. So here I have written my first condition under if is to compare A with B and A with C, whether A is greater than B and C. Here if statement will be executed only when both the conditions A greater than B and A greater than C will be true. If the condition, either of the statement is true, it will not be executed. And obviously, if both the statements are false, then it will the condition will be false, and it goes to else if. Like this, so here I am comparing A with in else if B is my condition is to check whether B is greater than A and B is greater than C. Here also it is same. Then if both the statements are true only, the statement under else if part will be executed, or else it will be false and it will be executed in else part. So here in this, if this statement is true, both the statements are true, then it is executed. Otherwise, it is not executed, and it jumps to the else part, and it prints the statement under the else part. So if we take our A value is 3, B value is 4, C value is 5, then in our first condition, we need to check whether 3 is greater than 4 and 3 is greater than 5. So here 3 is not greater than 4, so which is false, and here 3 is not greater than 5. This is also false. So false and false is false. So it comes out of if, and it checks the condition under else if. Here in condition of else if, it checks whether 4 is greater than equal to 3 and 4 is greater than equal to 5. So 4 is not greater than 4 is greater than 3, which is true, and 4 is not greater than 4 is greater than 5, which is false. So both the here only one statement is true. So it is even though it is true and false, it will take only false. So here the condition is again false. So it comes to else and print that 5 is C is greater. That means 5 is greater as the output. So let us see how it works. So here I am executing this program. So while it is compiled successfully, and now I am taking the input as 3 as A value, 4 as B value, and C value is 5. Now it brings 5 is greater as the output. Thank you for watching this video, and I will share the same program in C++ and Python programming languages as well in description box.